Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to share with you the secret to successful dating by discussing the 6 types of women you should avoid. Have you ever been in a relationship with someone who thrives on drama? That's a drama queen. They tend to be high maintenance and always looking for attention. But how can you spot them early on? Look out for signs of drama in their past relationships or situations where they seem to be the center of attention. If you find yourself dating a drama queen, don't worry. Towards the end of the video, I would offer some tips on how to handle each of these types of women. We all know about gold diggers, right? They are women who are primarily interested in money and material possessions. But why do men fall for them? Well, it's often because they use their charm to manipulate and deceive their partners. To protect yourself from gold diggers, look out for warning signs such as a lack of interest in your personality or always expecting expensive gifts. At the end of the video, I'll also provide some practical advice on how to effectively deal with these challenging types of women in your relationships. In today's world of social media, attention seekers are everywhere. They thrive on getting likes and comments on their posts, but in a relationship, they can be exhausting to deal with. Look out for signs of excessive social media use or always wanting to be the center of attention. Being in a relationship with an attention seeker can have negative effects on your mental health. Make sure to watch the entire video as I'll be sharing some valuable tips on how to identify and handle their actions. A control freak is someone who wants to control every aspect of their partner's life. They can be manipulative and make their partner feel like they're walking on eggshells. Look out for signs such as wanting to know your every move or insisting on making decisions for you. Being in a relationship with a control freak can be challenging, but I'll give you some tips on how to deal with them and maintain your independence. Flirts use their charm to their advantage and can be very persuasive. But they may not be interested in a serious relationship, so it's important to look out for signs such as constantly flirting with others or avoiding commitment. If you find yourself dating a flirt, don't worry. I'll give you some tips on how to deal with them and communicate your boundaries. Stay until the end of the video. Finally, we have the negative Nancy. They tend to have a pessimistic outlook on life and bring down the mood of the relationship. Look out for signs such as constant complaining or lack of appreciation. Being in a relationship with a negative Nancy can be draining. I hope that these upcoming hints can help you navigate the tricky waters of dating and relationships. Remember, each of these types of women presents their own unique challenges, but with a little patience and understanding, you can learn how to spot them early on and deal with their behavior in a healthy and constructive way. Set boundaries and don't engage in the drama. Encourage them to take responsibility for their actions. Stay calm and don't get drawn into their emotional outbursts. Be honest and upfront about your financial situation. Don't try to impress them with material possessions. Look for someone who values you for who you are, not what you have. Try to give them attention and praise when they are not seeking it. Encourage them to develop their own self-worth and identity. Be firm in setting boundaries, not allowing them to constantly seek attention. Assert your own needs and wants in the relationship. Encourage them to trust you and let go of control. Seek therapy or couples counseling to work through control issues. Be clear about your expectations in the relationship. Don't let them manipulate or play games with you. Set boundaries and communicate openly about your feelings. Encourage them to focus on the positive aspects of life. Don't let their negativity bring you down. Offer support and suggest seeking professional help if necessary. When it comes to relationships, always remember to prioritize yourself and your own self-worth. Don't settle for someone who doesn't treat you with the respect, love, and kindness that you deserve. While it may be challenging to navigate through different types of personalities, always stay true to yourself and trust your instincts. With patience, self-awareness, and a willingness to learn and grow, you can create healthy, fulfilling relationships that will bring joy and happiness into your life. So there you have it, guys. Those are the 6 types of women you should avoid in relationships. I hope this video was helpful for you, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on dating and relationships.